28 centimeters plate will make an adult one, and then a 25 for kiddies in a circle. So you cut your circle or measure your plate, and there you are, and then you cut it out like that. So then you fold it in half, finger press, and fold it in a quarter, and finger press. Then you cut it, and you cut, and you cut, and you take the two, put it like that, and sew that together. And this is your lining. So you would do obviously the lining without violin. Sew it together, and that's the end result. We just folded that over.